Exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and substitution method. We got 4 sums. First substitution, second substitution, third substitution, fourth substitution. 4 சம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த 4 சம்மையுமே எலிமினேஷன் மெத்தடில் பண்ணணும், அதே சமயத்தில் சப்ஸ்டியூஷன் மெத்தட்லையும் சால்வ் பண்ணணும். We have to do by both substitution and elimination method. X plus y equal to 5 first equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 4 second equation. We have to solve both by elimination method and substitution method. To elimination method, we have to check which variable to be eliminated. I want to cancel y. Because we got one plus sign or minus sign, எனக்கு sign change பண்ணாமே we can cancel பண்ணலாம். அப்போ if we want to cancel y, make both the coefficients of y as same equal. அப்போ second equation coefficient of y வந்து 3 minus 3, இதை வந்து 3 கொண்டு வரணும்னா first equation 3 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்போ equation 1 into 3 implies 3x plus 3y equal to 15. 3 into x 3x, 3 into y 3y plus equal to 3 into 5 15. Second equation ஒன்றும் பண்ணலாம், ஏன்னா ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கு. Into 1 implies 2x minus 3y equal to 4. என்ன பாருங்க, கோவிட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வந்து கோவிட் ஆஃப் ஒய் வந்து சேமாக கொண்டு விட்டோம், ப்ளஸ் சைன் மைனஸ் சைன் இருக்குது, கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ ஆட் பண்ணால் கேன்சல் ஆகுமா, சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் கேன்சல் ஆகுமா? ஆட் பண்ணால் கேன்சல் ஆகும். அப்போ ப்ளஸ் 3y மைனஸ் 3y கேன்சல். இதை ஆட் பண்ணால் 5x ஈக்குவல் டு இதை ஆட் பண்ணால் 19. 5x இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 19, x இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 19/5. x இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 19/5. தென் சப்ஸ்டிடியூட் x is equal to 19/5 in any one of the equation. இப்போ எந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் ஈஸினா இதுதான் ஈஸி ஈக்குவேஷன், ஏன்னா இது வந்து 2 3 எல்லாம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இருக்கு. இதுதான் x plus y ஈஸியான ஈக்குவேஷன். இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் 1 சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணேன் in 1. அப்போ என்ன வரும், x 19/5 plus y equal to 5. இப்போ we have to find y. அப்போ y லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் வச்சுக்கிட்டா y இந்த 19/5 அந்த பக்கம் வரல மைனஸ் 19/5. இப்போ 5னா 5/1. இப்போ வாட் இஸ் த எல்சியம்? 1க்கு 5க்கு எல்சியம் 5. இப்போ 5ல் 1 5 டைம்ஸ். அப்போ 5 into 5 25. 5ல் 5 1 டைம், 1 into 19 19. அப்போ என்னாச்சு 25 minus 19 6/5. Therefore x is equal to 19/5, y is equal to 6/5 by elimination method. Now we have to do by substitution method. Now x plus y equal to, so directly we take from this equation. இப்போ substitution method என்ன, we have to select an equation and convert one variable in terms of the other variable. இதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் தான் ஈஸி, x plus y equal to 5. So from 1, how can we write y? Y is equal to 5, இந்த x இங்கே வரல minus x. Y is equal to 5 minus x. We have convert one variable y in terms of x. Now substitute, keep this equation is 3. Substitute 3 in 2. leftover equation 2. இதெல்லாம் தான் சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணி, இதெல்லாம் சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. substitute 3 in 2. அப்போ 2 in 2x minus 3y, 3 into 5 minus x is equal to 4. So this equation reduces to linear equation in one variable. For x லே வந்துச்சு. So bracket remove பண்ணுங்க. 2x minus 3 into 15 minus 15 minus 3 into minus x plus 3x equal to 4. Now 2x plus 3x 5x minus 15 equal to 4. 5x is equal to 4. இந்த minus 15 right hand side போயில plus 15 Abhinati 19. So x is equal to 19 by 5. X is equal to 19 by 5. Same x is equal to 19 by 5 in the by 5. Now how to find y? Substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 in 3 la substitute 3. Appo y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. 19 by 5. Because now take LCM. 1 க்கு 5 க்கு LCM 5. 5 ல 1 வந்து 5 times. 5 into 5 25. Minus 5 ல 5 1 time. 1 into 19 19 is equal to 6 by 5. 25 minus 19 6 by 5. Therefore y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 19 by 5. Y is equal to 6 by 5. In elimination method also we are getting the same answer. Therefore this is x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5 are the answers. Second subdivision. 3x plus 4y equal to 10, first equation. 2x minus 2y equal to 2, second equation. We have to solve by both elimination method and substitution method. First by elimination method. Right. 3x plus 4y equal to 10, equation number 1. 2x minus 2y equal to 2, equation number 2. Check whether which elimination to be eliminated. We can eliminate y. To eliminate y, you have to keep both the coefficients y should be equal. Here it is 2 multiplied by 2 to the second equation. Equation 1 into 1 gives 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Equation 2 into 2 implies 2 into 2x 4x minus 2 into 2y 4y equal to 2 into 2 4. Both the coefficients are equal but opposite side. So by adding it get cancelled. So 3x plus 4x 7x is equal to 10 plus 4 14. 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 7 equal to 2. Then to find y, substitute x is equal to 2 in any one of the equation. Substitute x is equal to 2 in second equation. 2 into 2 minus 2y equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4 minus 2y equal to 2. Therefore, minus 2y equal to 2. In the plus 4 at the pocket minus 4. Minus 2y equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 by minus 2 equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 by elimination method. Now by substitution method. To solve in substitution method, you have to select an equation and convert one variable in terms of the other variable. I am selecting the second equation. From 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Here is 2, here also 2, here also 2, so we can divide by 2. Dividing by 2. 2 by 2, 1, x minus y equal to 1. Then x is equal to the minus y right hand side plus y plus 1. This is equation number 3. So we have converted x in terms of y. Of substitute 3 in this equation in 1. In place of x, you have to substitute y plus 1. 3 into y plus 1 plus 4y equal to 10. 3y plus 3 plus 4y equal to 10. Equal to 3y plus. Now 3y plus 4y 7y. 7y equal to 10. In the 3 right at the column minus 3 equal to 7. Therefore y is equal to 7 by 7 equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. In both the methods we are getting the same answer. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 are the answers. Subdivision 3, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0, equation number 1. Then 9x equal to 2y plus 7, equation number 2. Now we have to solve this pair of linear equation by elimination method and by substitution method. First is write the equation in standard form. 3x minus 5y equal to plus 4, equation 1. Minus 4 into plus 4. Then 9x minus 2y equal to 7, equation number 2. Now we have to eliminate either x or y. I want to eliminate y. To eliminate y, I want to keep both the equations, coefficients of y should be equal. Here in first equation coefficient of y is minus 5, in second equation coefficient of y is minus 2. To make equal coefficients of y, multiply first equation by 2 and multiply second equation by 5. So 5 into 2 10, 2 into 5 10, coefficient of y will be equal. Then we can cancel. So equation 1 into 2 implies 2 into 3x 6x minus 5y into 2 10y equal to 2 into 4 8. Then equation 2 into 5. Equation 2 into 5. 5 into 9x 45x minus 5 into 2y minus 10y is equal to 5 into 7 35. 5 into 7 35. Now here the coefficient of y is minus 10, here also minus 10. When it is cancelled, when subtracting or adding, when we will subtract only, it cancel because both the signs are same sign. So plus sign, change the minus sign. Here minus sign, plus sign, minus plus sign, minus sign. So minus 10y plus 10y cancel. 6x minus 45x. 6x minus 45x minus 39x. Minus 39x is equal to 8 minus 35. 8 minus 35 is minus 27. Therefore x is equal to minus 27 divided by minus 39. So minus minus cancel. X is equal to 27 by 39. So we can cancel by 3 table. 9 3s are 27, 13 3s are 39. X is equal to 9 by 13. To find y, substitute x is equal to 9 by 13 in any one of the equation. Then substitute x is equal to 9 by 13 in any one of the equation. Equation 2. We will substitute into, then 9 into 9 by 13. 9x minus 2y equal to 7. 9 into 9, 81 by 13 minus 2y equal to 7. Now take LCM. LCM is 13. You do by 1. 13 la 1 13. 1 into 81, 81. Minus 13 la 13 ones. 13 into 2, 26y equal to 7. equal to 7. Therefore, 81 minus 26y equal to, இப்போ 13 7 cross multiply பண்ணா 91. 7 13 are 91. Minus 26y equal to 91 minus 81 equal to 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 by minus 26. 10 by minus. இப்போ 2 table cut பண்ணலாம். 5 by minus 13. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5 by 13. X is equal to 9 by 13. Y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Now we have to do by eliminate substitution method. To do substitution method, you have to select an equation and convert one variable in terms of other variable. I am selecting the equation 1. 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Now convert x in terms of y. 3x is equal to the minus y right hand side pochina plus 5y plus 4. Then x is equal to 5y plus 4 divided by 3. Keep this equation as 3. Now substitute 3 in 2. Substitute 3 in 2. Substitute 3 in 2. 3 in 2 na enna kedikum? 9 into 5y plus 4 divided by 3. That is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. இப்போ 3 table cut பண்ணலாம். 1s are 3s are 3 into 15y 3 into 5y 15y plus 3 into 4 12 minus 2y equal to 7 equal to 7. 15y minus 2y 15 minus 2y 13y equal to 7 minus 12. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5 by 13. See, here also got minus 5 by 13. So y is the correct answer. How to find x? Substitute x is equal, substitute y is equal to minus 5 by 13. In 3. Here a substitution. Up x is equal to 5 into minus 5 by 13 plus 4 by 3 by 3 is equal to 5 into minus 5 minus 25 by 13 plus 4 by 3. Now you have to take LCM. X is equal to, now numerator ku LCM எடுக்கணும். Numerator ku LCM வந்து 13. 13 ல 130. அப்போ 30 minus 25 into 1 minus 25 plus இது வந்து 4 னா 4 by 1. அப்போ 13 ல 13 ones. 13 into 4 plus 52 by 3. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? X is equal to இது 3, இது வந்து 13 LCM இப்போ minus 25 plus 52 plus 27 plus 27. இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? இது 3 னா 3 by 1. இப்போ ரெண்டு ஃபிராக்ஷனை டிவைட் பண்ணுனா நியூமரேட்டர் ஃபிராக்ஷன் அப்படியே வச்சுக்கிட்டு டினாமினேட்டர் ஃபிராக்ஷனை உல்டா பண்ணி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். அப்போ 27 by 13 into 1 by 3. அப்போ 3 1 3 தான், இது 9 3 தான். Therefore x is equal to 9 by 13. X is 9 by 13, y is minus 5 by 13. Here also x is 9 by 13, y is equal to minus 5 by 13, which is the correct answer. Fourth subdivision, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. Second equation, x minus y by 3 equal to 3. First write in the standard form. First x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. இப்போ ரெண்டுக்கு எல்சிஎம் என்ன 2க்கு 3க்கு எல்சிஎம் வந்து 6. அப்போ 6 2 வந்து 3 டைம்ஸ் 3 into x 3x plus 6ல 3 2 times 2 into 2 4y equal to minus 1. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணா 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1 minus 6. இது equation 1. இப்போ second equation எடுத்துக்கிட்டா x by 1 minus y by 3 equal to 3. இப்போ LCM 3. இப்போ LCM 3 னா 3ல 1s அப்போ 3x minus 3 by 3 1 y equal to 3. அப்போ 3x minus y equal to 3 into 3 9. இது equation number 2. இப்போ 3x minus y equal to 9 equation number 2. இப்போ பாருங்க ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷன் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் x சேமா இருக்கு. அப்போ சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா minus plus plus 3x minus 3x cancel plus 4y plus y plus 5y equal to minus 50. Y is equal to minus 15 by 5 equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. If substitute y is equal to minus 3 in second equation. இந்த equation substitute பண்ணலாம். Substitute பண்ணா 3x minus minus 3. ஏன்னா already ஒரு minus இது ஒரு minus 3 equal to 9. 3x plus 3 equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9 minus 3 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 3 2. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. By elimination method x is equal to y is equal to minus 3. Now we have to do by substitution method. From the second equation, from equation 2, from equation 2, 3x minus y equal to 9. Therefore, 3x minus 9 equal to y. The minus y right hand side போகல plus y. இந்த plus 9 left hand side போகல minus 9. அப்போ y is equal to 3x minus 9 equation number 3. We have convert y in terms of x. Now substitute 3 in first equation. Equation 1. Equation 1, 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4. 4 into 3x minus 9 equal to minus 6. 3x plus 12x minus 36 equal to minus 6. 3x plus 12x 15x equal to minus 6 plus 36 is equal to 30. Therefore x is equal to 30 by 15 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2 in 3. In 3. Therefore y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 9 is equal to 6 minus 9 equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. You are getting same answer. X is equal to y is equal to minus 3. X is equal to y is equal to minus 3.